Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to set any folder or file name with emoji. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that example, I am going to make a new folder here, and then I want to give this folder name with emoji. How you can do that? Simply right click over there and click on rename. Normally when we rename any folder, so now if you want to add emoji in this folder, just simply press this Win key and full stop and it will appear emoji. And now if you choose any emoji, it will appear in your folder, and after that just simply click anywhere and that emoji will set that will be in your folder name. Even if you want to add any file, you can do so. Example, I'm going to click here, make a new text document, and I would like to change this text document name with emoji. Simply press this Win and full stop key and it will appear emoji. Simply choose whatever emoji you would like to set, simply choose that and press anywhere. It is going to be set that name with emoji. So this is how easily you can set any file or folder name with emoji. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.